Hear me now?
Is it- Yes, I can hear you now. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
We are also good this side. So it's morning time there.
Here?
Yes.
No, now here is 1:49 a.m.
Okay. Oh, I see. So it's during the day. Okay. No, great. No, it's a good progress. Thank you so much. Well done. I'm very happy, excited.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Yes.
so now that we need to do,
Mm,
I just need to transfer the website to you, and then
mm,
still now I will be a contributor of your website. If you don't remove me, I will show you how can you
mm.
remove me from your Wix website whenever you want. No problem with that.
Yes.
Now that we need to do,
Mm,
I need your Wix email address. I mean, that email address you have used to create your Wix account. I need that email address so I can transfer the website to you on that email, and you will get an email to accept the Wix website as a owner on your own email. And whenever you will accept it, then you will be the owner of the website. And whenever you want, you may remove me from the website. And now,
mm.
as you will get from me 60 days free support. So obviously, if you face any issue with your website, you can get back to me anytime, and I can assist you to solve your
Yes.
any kind of issue without any
Mm.
additional cost within 60 days. So,
Yes.
so before that, we need to complete the payment things. So I will send you some of the
Mm.
information list. Those I need to send you a payment request. So yeah, after the meeting, I will send you the information that I need from you. Once I will get the payment, then I can transfer the website to you.
Yes. Oh, no, that's fine. Would you also include so that the hosting, that $10 you said is a $10 monthly, the hosting of the website?
Yes. As your website have not any payment thing, so obviously you can take the first plan for now. It will be okay for you, and you have done the website now. So if you need to be listed on Google, like as the search engine optimization things, if you need for your Wix website, we are providing these services as well for your website. If you need that, you may let us know so we can do the search engine optimization like is on page SEO for your website. So you will be listed on Google. If I will show
Yeah,
you how it will
please,
work,
I need that.
do you know
I
about
need that.
I understand. Do you know about the search engine optimization, how it's work?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so let me show you one thing so you can understand it.
I'm in front of my PC now.
Yeah, so you can see it now, right? You can see my screen?
Yes, it's just that it's not clear. So what can I type here this side? Okay, yeah. Yes, I'm at Google now, yes.
Wait. Screen one. Okay, you may see it now,
Oh,
right?
this is
So
where I am, huh? Yes.
see, so if I will search with Wix Expert, then you can see my website is listed the number 4. The first one is Wix website. Second one is also Wix.com. Third one also Wix.com. And then my website is here. As Wix the main company,
Mm,
that's why their website listed at the very first, and then my
mm,
website is listed here. So if when anyone find on Google Wix Expert, then my website comes up there at
mm.
first on the Google search. So for your
Okay.
website as well, you need to select a keyword, which keyword you want to rank your website. As for my website, I want to rank my website with Wix Expert. That's why
Yes.
I have ranked my website on Google with Wix Expert. So for
Mm.
your website, you need to select as well. At
The
last,
keyword.
one will be the main keyword, and other 4 keyword we need those
Mm.
keyword you want to rank your website on Google. So if I will got them, then I can do the search engine, the on-page search engine optimization for your website, and you will be listed look like that way on Google.
Yes. Please advise me. What do you think must be my keyword? Must I use bookshop or must I use fields of study? Think fields of study is better, huh?
Yes.
Fields of study.
Yes.
Okay, let's use.
Your
Or is
what
it-
is your domain?
is-
Have you both the domain yet?
Yes, that fields of study is the domain. Fields of
Okay.
study bookshop is the domain.
Okay, so
Mm.
this will be our one of the keyword, and another keyword will be your name as well, and other
My name.
yes, and other 3 keyword you need to select from your about your book, like as what about you are writing. So if anyone,
So my keyword will be my full name, Gift Kabari. What will be the other keyword? Fields of study.
yes,
Okay, so only
field
2
of study, yeah, this
fields of
one,
study and Gift Kabari.
yeah, and you have another one. I will research about that, and then I can let you know which keyword will be good for you.
Please, please, I will appreciate that.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can do that for you.
Mm.
Okay, so
Because
this is,
we are so many Kavaris, you know, we are so many Kavaris. So when you type my surname, there are a lot.
okay. So this is the process, and for the search engine optimization for the one page, generally I am charging for my client 200 to 250 for the search engine optimization, and it will take 15 to 30 days to rank on Google, but it is not guaranteed because search engine optimization is not a guarantee work, because there are a lot of people are trying to do the search engine optimization for their own website as well with the same keyword. So as our website is new, it will take some time to index on Google and rank. It will rank day by day automatically with those keyword, because when I will do the search engine optimization for your website, when I will submit the website to Google for index in Google, robot will check the full website, and then day by day it will be rank on Google search. And
Yes.
obviously on our website you can include one more page that's called blog. So as you are a writer, so you can do like a monthly, weekly the blog post about writing or about this type of content, or any suggestion or any steps, like as
Yes.
people can learn anything about this field from your website, then they will get more trust about you. Yes, obviously you are writing good things on your blog page, so obviously
Yes.
your book will be more better, so they will be
Yes.
more, they will get more
Information, or
yes,
I will
they
start
will get more
interacting with my
information
readers.
about you and about your website, about your books as well. If you
Yes.
can provide some information on blog page for free, then they will think, if I will buy the book, then I will get more things from there. So yeah, it's a good for you to sell the book and for the website as well, because Google Robot like blog page. There you will be update. You will
Yes, so you'll put that blog,
post
you'll put
something
the
new on
blog.
your website weekly or monthly. So
Yes,
Google
yes.
will understand you are working for your website, and it will help you to rank on Google more faster.
Yes. Okay. So you will create that where I will put my information in on
Uh,
Google,
I will
the
do,
blog.
yes. No.
Okay.
I will just add the menu on your website. Another item.
Yeah, please. Yes, yes.
I will add the functionality on your website, and on Wix
Okay.
dashboard, you will get option how to write a blog post on Wix. I will show you everything. How
Okay.
can you go there? How can
Good.
you write? How can you categorize the blog? Everything. And I am doing the
Okay. No,
video
thank you.
tutorial as well on YouTube, so I can send you exactly the YouTube link. How can you write a blog post on your Wix website very easily using like as the ChatGPT or something else? So you can
Okay.
write it
So it
from
will,
there as well.
so it will be good that I update it the blog every week. I say something
Yes,
new.
every week or every month as your
Okay.
availability.
Okay. Weekly or monthly? Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And for your website, my designer have done a very great job, because we are working as a team and I am the leader of the team. This is my agency, and I have some of the designer, they are working for me. So my
Yes.
designer have done a good job. At first, I was thinking you will just include the 3 books on your website, but we have included about 12 book and the 3 detail space. So when you will have the other books details as well, then you can just let me know, or you can send me the information like as before, so I can include the other books as well. The details page
Yes.
on your website, no problem with that. And I have include here author page as well. So, and I will show you as well how can you easily update the content on your website. Like as you want to make change a picture, so you don't need to knock me for only for a picture to update
Yes.
on your website. I will show you how can you easily update any text or any a picture whenever you want from
Yes.
your own. Okay.
Yes. Good. Thanks.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for now. So after that, if you want to do the search engine optimization now, then for the search engine optimization, I can send you the 50% upfront, the payment request, because basically my working way is at first I am taking the 50% upfront, the payment, and then I am starting the work. But for you, it's different. At first, I have
Oh, it was.
done the website, and then you will
Yes.
give me the funds. So no problem with that.
Yeah. No.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you for that
sending.
assistance.
Yeah. I'm gonna sending you the information that I need from you to send you the payment request on WhatsApp, and then you can send me the information, and I will make an invoice for you, and then I will send you the payment request to you. Then you can pay me, okay? And then I will transfer the website to your email address. Just send me the email address on WhatsApp, so it will be easier for me to send you the website.
Yes. So you'll just send it to my email, so that.
Yes. I just need your email address. I think I have already, but if you have a different email address for Wix account, then that's why I have just mentioned then that.
Yeah, I have that.
I have your
I have
email
that
address
one.
already.
I don't know which email address did I use, but the one I created for the website is that info at
Okay, you may
fieldsofstudybooktalk.com.
write it to me on WhatsApp, no problem.
And I don't know whether it's working or what, because I'm not that computer literate.
Uh,
Okay, so let
okay, so
me
yeah,
send
and
you
I am also doing the
but
mobile
I will be
responsive for
learning a
your
lot.
website. Hello?
Hmm.
Yeah, I am doing
Yes.
the mobile responsive things as well for your website, because there are most of the about 50% of people will visit your website from their mobile phone. So obviously we need to make
Mm.
sure your website is fully mobile accessible. Yes, I got
Mm.
email address 008. This is my email address as well.
Yes,
My name, and
I
then
was thinking, why is it that we have the same numbers?
yeah. We are very similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know whether this is the correct email address. You must use it, or must you use the business one, or is it fine?
Okay, so after that, this is your main email address, but for your business, for your website, if you want to get a business email address, then you can get it from Wix as well. First, let's start the
I have
website,
it.
and then
You know
if
that
you
email
think,
address.
yeah. Tell me.
That email address, the one you put it in under contacts, info at Fields of Study Bookshop, is the one I have paid for. That is valid. So we just have to
On
test
Wix,
it whether it's working or not.
on Wix or where?
Yes. Yes, on Wix when I
Okay,
saved the domain
that's
name.
great. So
Yeah.
you have already set it up, or you need to
I paid it.
figure that?
Yes, I paid it.
You paid, but you can use it now?
Yes, I don't, but I don't know how to use it. I don't even
Okay.
I don't even remember the password. I
Okay,
don't even remember the
no
password.
problem.
So we
No
can make
problem.
it.
I need your Wix login access, so I can set it up for you, and then you can log in on your new professional email address. No problem with that. I can do that for you. No
Yeah. So
So
it's that one.
yeah. So I need
Yeah,
your
yeah.
Wix login access as well to do that. You may feel free to send me your Wix login access, so I can log in there and I can set the email
Okay.
address.
No. Yeah, hold on a second. I will take the book where I wrote in the information.
Okay, that's great.